Hi everyone, it's Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you know when I post videos, okay? So today I am cleaning my closet. Yes, there seem to be a lot of these closet videos going around, but I've actually been thinking about doing this for 2 months, and now I'm trying to get my life together, and it all starts in my closet. So today I'm going to declutter my closet and put everything in the place where it's supposed to go, because, you know, I'm not really an organized person, but I want to be an organized person. And today is the day to start that. So I'm going to take you along on my little journey to declutter my closet and get it organized so that I'm not looking for stuff all the time, because I feel like I waste a lot of time looking for things, and I want to put it into that. So let me show you the closet. Okay, so this is what just to let you know, I cheated a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm all hunched over here because I don't have a shelf tall enough. I cheated a little bit. I've already kind of started the process. I've already taken tons of crap to Goodwill, and now I just need to kind of just put everything back where it goes and get everything organized. So as you can tell, there's stuff on the floor, there's stuff everywhere. I really just don't know how to organize all this stuff, and so I've been looking at Pinterest and I've been asking questions and doing all those things, and now it's time to put all that research into action into my closet. So I'm going to take you along with me and let's see how this goes. Okay, my friends, I'm back, and I'm not really sure what I should do now. So, for sure, I might need to organize my bags over here in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. So, most of the designer bags come with these little dust things, dust bags or whatever, and so I kind of wondered, are you supposed to keep the dust bags on there? But I think they're more for traveling because you can't see your purse at all. So I think what I'm going to do is that I bought these, I don't know if you can see them better up here. I bought these shelf dividers, shelf dividers, not designers, and I think that I'm going to organize my bags over here using those, and we'll see what happens. So I cleared off all of my scarves from up here because they're not, I wear them, but I don't wear them a lot, especially now because it's hot and I live in Texas. So who needs, whoops, it's hot and I live in Texas. So who really needs a scarf like right now? Oh, I'm sorry, I had to put my hair up because it's really hot. And then I organized my bags right here. I just put them up here. I feel bad because these are getting kind of squished, but it looks better than what it was before. Look, I have more room for extra purses, and then because, you know, I love purses. And then I put like my computer bags and all those type of things right here. And then I wanted to do like a serious haul for the summer, but this is my brand new Dooney & Bourke bag. I'm so happy to have this. I love like the old school Dooneys with the with the leather duck on them, because they don't really come like this anymore. My very first bag that I ever got when I was like 6 was a Dooney & Bourke bag, so they're always classic to me. But I haven't carried this one yet, but I love it, and it gets its own little special space because I'm going to use it again, or use it one day for a very special occasion. You know, the first time always has to be special. And then I put like all of my clutches and all that. This is gonna be a really bad edited video. All of my clutches and like my fanny pack. I have one fanny pack and it comes in handy. And then I hung some other bags right here because they have longer straps, and I have one more bag that I need to put right there. So I feel like that this is going well. I'm a whole lot better off than where I was before. The racks actually look a little bit cluttered, but hey, I feel really good. I can see the floor, which is something that I couldn't see before. So I'm just gonna take the time and organize this, and hopefully I'll be able to get a vacuum up in here, and then I'll be done. I'm super excited about this. And it only took me making a video to clean out my closet. What's up with that, yo? Okay, everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. It's not perfect, but it's way better than where I started. So I'm very excited that I've kind of gotten everything organized. I can see the floor. I have like clear piles for everything. So hopefully this will help me stay organized. I have a buttload of laundry that I have to fold, so it's gonna go up in here. Let me show you just some things that I did. Put my workout pants, my workout shorts, all that right here. That's just kind of empty. I got my jams and just like some miscellaneous stuff. I hung my jackets, my cardigans, and all that kind of stuff right here because I still kind of use that when I go into cold places. I put my shorts on this side. My skirts, according to length, are right here, jeans, and then more pants, and then I did my shirts. This is really cool right here. I got this from Amazon. It's a belt loop, but I use it to hang my camisoles and things on. I just put them right here, and it's just easy to take them off. I just put them right here, and it's just easy to take them off one at a time, and then that way they're not taking up all this extra space. So I organized my shirts, tank tops, white shirts, regular shirts, and you know, on down. I put my graphic tees and all that other kind of stuff right here. I got my button ups right there. Got my backpacks up here, and then I think I'm gonna put another shelf organizer right here because those are like my vacation bags that I take like when we go to the beach and everything. And I just have like dresses and things like that over here. So things are looking really good. I have the shoes organized, and I took the scarves off, which takes a real load off of my closet. So I really like that. And then I just have like some extra shoes and accessories right there. So I'm very glad with how this turned out. So thank you for watching this video and following the journey with me. I have a whole lot of other things to declutter. So I'm probably going to end up making this a series because it gets me motivated to do what I need to do. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far in the video. Why not tell me how clean your closet is? Is it clean? Is it spotless? Is it organized? Is it just a place for you to put your stuff? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.